What are you doing January 11th? If you're a speaker, author, expert in the Connecticut area, you simply must join us for this special event. If getting booked is important to you, if building your business is important to you, you must join us. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. In 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. But hey, I didn't do it alone. It was mentors, it was people who had the experience that I needed that guided me to build my business. I've now been doing this for over 2 decades. I love what I get to do, and now I'm coming back home to Connecticut to teach you on January 11th. What are we gonna cover? Great question. As a speaker, your #1 marketing tool, consider this: YouTube. Years ago, it was special to be on YouTube. Now you're expected to be on YouTube. Event planners, future attendees are looking you up to decide if they're gonna hire you or if they're gonna come to the event. So what do they see when they go there? YouTube is my #1 marketing strategy for building all of my programs, products, selling them, and getting me booked. I have over 3.7 million views, and they're all organic. So now I'm starting to advertise on YouTube as well. But how can you use YouTube? Join us and find out. I will show you how to generate high content videos quickly to get you in front of the right market. So join us for YouTube it. But that's not all. We're gonna show you how to own the stage. When you get on stage, you have this huge opportunity to get more referrals, but that's gonna come from how good you are on stage. That's the essence of the second program. It's called Own the Stage. Anyone can take the stage. Anyone can stand in front of an audience and spout out words. But do you really make an impact so much that people want to refer you? Well, in 2001, I had been a speaker for 7 years. I thought I was pretty good until I met my coach, Mark Brown. Mark looked at my speech, the first version of a brand new speech, and said, "Oh, Darren, we have some work to do." What? How could he see in 2 minutes what I couldn't see after 7 years? Well, simple. He had a coach himself. He had a higher perspective, so he knew what to do. So in the second program, Own the Stage, the bonus, you're gonna see the specifics that you must have, the crucial elements you must have to own the stage, and those common mistakes that you must avoid. What Mark saw in 2 minutes, you're gonna walk away with a checklist so you can look at your own speaking and upgrade it quickly and know exactly what to do. So join us for these 2 cool programs that'll change your career and your speaking. YouTube it and Own the Stage. Join us January 11th for this special event. See you in Connecticut.